Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add checkboxes on Google Sheets. So I'm just going to write student 1, and hopefully if I drag this down to 12, okay. And I want to add in checkboxes to do their attendance, sorry. So I'm just going to select all of this, or just this up to here, like so, and then you are going to select insert, and you are going to select checkbox, and it is that simple. You can then just tick this off like so. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can add checkboxes on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!